Babe, you need to take it easy on yourself now. You can't starve yourself for too long.
See, I don't blame you. You don't know how much that is involved here.
Maybe I understand. But at least you have 3 already, it's remaining just 1.
Listen, Jesus left 99 to look for 1. I'm supposed to have 4, but I have just 3 here.
Sweetheart, can you at least do something because...
Chupia, Mudie. I am a joy giver. I'm a joy giver.
So, hello everyone. You guys are all welcome. Your job here is to make my husband happy and 10 million will be yours.
Oh my God! Wow!
You're welcome. First person.
Good afternoon, Good afternoon, sir. Ma, you know it's hard to find the solution to a problem without even knowing the problem. So, Ma, please tell me what's the problem?
So, my husband ordered goods from China. It's about 4 containers and 3 has been sent to us, whereas customs seized one of the goods. So we are trying to make him happy.
Sir, you have the money, but you don't have the power. I don't mean the power of Abidu Shika. I mean the power of Ikubensi. Woki Jirono, Abu Odogo. Anyways, I'll be right back. Wait for me. Jesus!
Good afternoon, sir. Good afternoon, ma. My name is Mr. Peter. I believe you are Stephen Kipebuka, the CEO of GM Crown Interior. Okay. I'm coming from the chairman of custom. He sent me to come give you these papers for you to sign.
What did I do?
You did nothing, sir. It's for good, sir. It's for good, sir. It's for good, sir. All right, sir. Congratulations to you, sir. Your goods has been released from the customs, sir.
Huh?
Yes, sir.
What did you say?
Your goods has been released, sir.
What?
So, you can talk to us anytime.
Wow!
Yes, sir.
Oh my.
Sorry for interrupting, Ma.
There's a price for the work done now.
Oh, you did all this?
Mm-hmm.
At 2 million.
Anyways, it was a prank.
Hold on.